evening. I am Sanan Jain. Welcome to Radio Bharti. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. The headlines. PM Modi chairs third high-level meeting with secretaries to Government of India. Home Minister Amit Shah criticizes Congress decision to sing only two stanzas of Vande Mataram instead of full rendition. US imposes fresh sanctions on Hezbollah, citing its ties to Imran government. Somali pirates hijacked two ships in 4 days. RBI maintains wait and watch approach on interest rates, keeps repo rate unchanged at 5.25% for the fourth consecutive time. 79% of new UNs generated during 25-26 belong to age group between 18 to 30. BWF World Championship 2026. Satvik Saraj, Rankareddy and Chirag Shetty to lock horns with Lang Engwing and Wang Cheng of China. FIH World Cup, India women's team to take on Netherlands. Now news in brief. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired the third high-level meeting with secretaries to the Government of India at his residence yesterday and discussed the future action agenda of ministers and departments dealing with infrastructure and connectivity, security, external affairs and government. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has criticized the Congress Working Committee's decision to sing only two stanzas of Vande Mataram instead of the full rendition. Talking to the media, Mr. Shah said that the decision amounts to an open defense of the law enacted to the parliament and is anti-national. Mr. Shah claimed that in 1937 the Congress has divided Vande Mataram into two parts for the sake of the government. The Trump administration has imposed fresh sanction on the Hezbollah and redesignated the group of an Iranian proxy. The US Treasury Department announced sanctions on 10th individuals alleged to be the part of a network responsible for transferring case for Hezbollah. Somali pirates have hijacked two ships in 4 days, raising concerns that piracy is making a major comeback in waters of Somalia and Yemen amid growing regional instability. The latest incidents included the seizure of the Cameron flooded MV Lutuf of Somalia's Puntland coast and the hijacking of the Iranian flagged SIBU 1 tanker of Yemen. Reserve Bank of India Governor Sanjay Malhotra has said he preferred to wait for greater clarity on the inflation trajectory before considering one change in the policy rate. Young workers are driving the growth of India's formal employment with 79% of a new universal account numbers generated during 25-26 belonging to people aged 18 and 30 years. According to a report, Pulse, for the year 2026, more than 50,000 new UANs were generated during the year. In badminton, India shuttlers will be in action today in the men's and women's doubles quarterfinals at the BWF World Championship 26 in New Delhi. The men's doubles pair of Satvik Saraj Rankareddy and Chirag Shetty will lock horns with third seeds Liang Wenjing and Wang Cheng of China. In hockey, the Indians women team will take on the Netherlands in the first match of the second pool phase of FIH World Cup at Amsterdam today. The match will start at 9:30 p.m. Indian time. That's all for the day. For more such updates, stay tuned to Radio Bharti. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.